Yang berbahagia Tan Sri Khalid Ramli, President of the Langkawi Paintball Association. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm at a loss for words. Well, I have been a reluctant patron of this funny game called paintball. In my youth, there were very few games, and they were very civilized games. There were rules and regulations, and you play like gentlemen, being very sportsmanlike and being very good losers. And so you often lose because to lose is good. So, but in my old age, I'm nearly 100 years old now. For another 12 years, I think, if I survive. We won't survive with the amount of work that people are heaping on me, making me patron of this, that, and the other. I'm a very old man, and I find that nowadays there are more games which have been introduced, which have become popular. When I was told about this paintball game, I was wondering what it's all about. I thought that you might throw paintballs at the wall and see what Picasso-like painting you get. But I was told that it's a kind of peaceful war where we shoot at each other, but we don't kill each other, we paint each other. So I think that is definitely good alternative to shooting with live bullets and killing each other. So since I am a man for peace, I decided that I should become patron for this paintball, not really expecting it to happen, and much less to get such support. But apparently there are enough crazy people around this world who have nothing else to do but to shoot at each other with paint. The first time the police in Langkawi, that was the first time I heard about it, but I didn't go, although I was patron. I didn't go to see it. I heard about it. I supported it as patron, and they had their first game in Langkawi. I was told, and I didn't believe what they tell me, I was told that it was a great success. And therefore I should continue becoming patron. And so it was, I became patron for last year. And strangely, there were actually quite a number of people who participated in these games. And they came from all over the world. Imagine having to travel halfway around the world just to shoot with paint at each other. You should just stay at home and shoot with paint at your friends and enemies, but they traveled 12,000 miles to shoot at each other. So I was very curious, and I decided that I should go and see what's it all about, and it was quite interesting. There were these people creeping on the floor, making signs, avoiding this, that, and the other obstacles and things like that. Apparently everybody was having a great time. And I think it is great that people should participate in this kind of harmless game instead of shooting at each other and killing, as is being done at Lahadatu now. So with this kind of game, we don't have to call for 1 minute silence because they don't kill each other. So I'm all for these games now, And I think this year the Langkawi will play host to a great number of people. Of course, I'm interested in how many people will come to Langkawi because I am keen on developing Langkawi as a tourist resort. So if people can attract other people to come to Langkawi by shooting at each other, that's well and good. I'm all for it. So I think the organizers have done a good job, and they have been able to interest people to come and see, to come and participate. And of course, since it goes beyond one night, they'll have to stay and sleep in Langkawi, which is good for Langkawi tourism. And I feel quite happy that I can play a small role by being a patron to this organization and this game. I'm quite sure that this game will be bigger this year than ever before. But as usual, all these things need money, and that's where the problem is. I don't know whether they ask me to be patron because they think I'm a good patron, but they think that with my name appended to their appeal letters, they get more funds donated to them. I think that's what they are. They have kindly appointed me as patron. But and of course I have to sign a lot of their appeal letters asking for sponsors and donations, etc. But I think this is good for the country because tourism brings in a lot of money, and at the very least I think about 2,000 or 3,000 people will be directly involved in these games. Then there would be spectators, and I hope that everybody would bring their wives, their children, and their girlfriend or boyfriend, and they will have a very good time in Langkawi. That is something we can promise. And of course, this is a very rainy country. Malaysia is in the rainforest region where we have a lot of rain. So the government has kindly built a huge hall for them to have this game. When they are not using the hall, we will have Lima, or the Langkawi International Maritime and Air Show, which is going to be soon this year, this March, you see. So in between having air shows, we can have games like this. So I'm all for this game, and I hope this particular function will result in people becoming sponsors and donating money for this, for a good cause. And I hope that this game this year will also be a success. So I'm supposed to launch? I'm supposed to launch this logo and the new game, and I hope it will be a success. I hereby launch this.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Langkawi World Cup Asia 2020 official logo. Thank you, Yang Amat Berbahagia Tun Dr. Mahathir bin Mohamad, patron of the Langkawi World Cup Asia 2013. And now I would like to invite Yang Berbahagia Tan Sri Khalid bin Ramli, Chairman